Deep in the heart of the rainforest, a flash of color catches your eye. It's a place where every corner holds a secret, every leaf hides a story waiting to be told. The air is thick with the scent of earth and life, and the sounds of the jungle create a symphony that is both chaotic and harmonious. Could it be a flower, a butterfly? The rainforest is teeming with life, each creature more fascinating than the last. The flowers bloom in a riot of colors, and butterflies flit from petal to petal, adding to the kaleidoscope of hues. No, it's something even more astonishing, a bird of paradise. These birds are the crown jewels of the rainforest, their feathers shimmering like precious gems in the dappled sunlight. I've been lucky enough to travel the world, filming all sorts of amazing creatures. From the icy tundras to the scorching deserts, each environment has its own unique charm. But there's something about the rainforest that keeps drawing me back. But birds of paradise hold a special place in my heart. Their beauty is unparalleled and their behavior is endlessly fascinating. Watching them is like witnessing a living, breathing work of art. They're like living jewels, each one more dazzling than the last. Their courtship displays are a marvel of nature, a dance of color and movement that leaves you spellbound. New Guinea, their main home, is a land of towering mountains and steamy jungles. It's a place where nature reigns supreme and the landscape is as dramatic as the creatures that inhabit it. It's a tough place to survive, but these birds thrive on the challenge. They have adapted to their environment in ways that are both ingenious and awe-inspiring. And what a show they put on! Their courtship dances are a spectacle of grace and beauty, a testament to the wonders of evolution. From shimmering emerald feathers to fiery orange plumes, their colors are simply breathtaking. Each bird is a masterpiece, a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet. It's no wonder they're called birds of paradise. They truly are a glimpse of heaven on earth. In their presence, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and gratitude for the natural world. Imagine a bird with feathers so blue they seem to glow. These feathers aren't just any ordinary blue, they shimmer and change shades as the light hits them, creating a mesmerizing effect that can captivate anyone who sees them. Or a crest of yellow plumes that cascades down its back like a waterfall of sunshine. These yellow feathers are not just bright, they are radiant, almost as if they are glowing from within, adding a touch of magic to the bird's appearance. That's the magic of birds of paradise. These birds are like living rainbows, each one more stunning than the last, with colors that seem almost too vibrant to be real. Their colors come from tiny structures in their feathers called pigments. These pigments are incredibly complex, reflecting and refracting light in ways that create the dazzling array of colors we see. These pigments reflect light in different ways, creating the dazzling array of hues we see. It's a natural wonder, a perfect example of how intricate and beautiful nature can be. But it's not just about beauty. These colors serve a purpose beyond just looking good. These colors are vital for survival. In the dense, dimly lit rainforest, a flash of bright plumage can be the difference between finding a mate and being left out in the cold. In the dim rainforest, a flash of bright plumage can be the difference between finding a mate and being left out in the cold. These vibrant colors are like a beacon, signaling to potential mates and ensuring the continuation of their species. Each species has its own unique combination of colors and patterns. These unique patterns are like fingerprints, helping each bird to stand out and be recognized. This helps them to recognize their own kind amidst the chaos of the rainforest. In a world full of noise and movement, these colors and patterns are essential for communication and survival. For birds of paradise, finding a mate is a serious business, and when it comes to courtship, they don't hold back. Imagine a clearing in the rainforest transformed into a dance floor. The males arrive, their feathers fluffed up and ready to impress. Some species perform elaborate dances, strutting and bowing with balletic grace. Others shake their tail feathers like maracas, creating a rhythmic beat that echoes through the trees. The females watch from the sidelines, carefully assessing each suitor. They're looking for the strongest, healthiest male with the most impressive display. The rainforest is alive with sound, and birds of paradise add their own unique voices to the chorus. Some species have deep, resonant calls that boom through the trees. Others trill and whistle, their songs as intricate as any melody. These calls serve many purposes. They can be used to attract mates, defend territory, or warn others of danger. In the dense rainforest, sound is often the best way to communicate over long distances. And birds of paradise have evolved a remarkable range of vocalizations to suit their needs. Sadly, these beautiful birds face many threats. Habitat loss is a major problem, as forests are cleared for logging, mining, and agriculture. Climate change is another growing threat. As temperatures rise, birds of paradise are forced to move higher up the mountains to find cooler climates. Hunting and the illegal pet trade also pose serious risks to some species. Their stunning feathers make them highly sought after by collectors. It's a stark reminder that even the most beautiful and remote corners of our planet are not immune to human impact. The good news is that there are people working tirelessly to protect birds of paradise. Scientists are studying their behavior and ecology to learn more about how to conserve them. Local communities are working to protect their forests and manage them sustainably. Conservation organizations are raising awareness about the threats facing these birds and supporting efforts to protect them. It's a team effort, and every little bit helps. By supporting conservation initiatives, we can all play a part in ensuring that these magnificent creatures have a future. Imagine a world where birds of paradise continue to thrive, their vibrant plumage and enchanting calls filling the air, their dazzling colors lighting up the rainforest for generations to come, creating a living tapestry of nature's finest artistry. It's a future worth fighting for. By protecting their habitats, tackling climate change, and supporting sustainable livelihoods, we can ensure these magnificent birds continue to enchant us. We can make a difference. Community efforts in rainforest conservation, such as planting trees and restoring habitats, play a crucial role in this mission. Let's work together to ensure that these birds remain a symbol of hope and wonder for generations to come. Educational programs and awareness campaigns can inspire the next generation to take action. Their survival depends on it, and so does a little bit of our own. The delicate balance of our ecosystem is intertwined with their existence. By fostering a deeper connection with nature, we can appreciate the importance of preserving these beautiful creatures and their habitats. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the magic of birds of paradise. Together, we can make a difference. Remember, every action, no matter how small, can help to protect these incredible creatures and their rainforest home. Let's keep exploring, keep learning, and keep taking those small steps. Together we can create a brighter future for all. A future where birds of paradise continue to thrive, and where our actions today ensure a better tomorrow for the planet.